Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the world of trading and cover strategies to help you become a better trader. Today we are doing something really exciting, a full backtest of major USD pairs for 2024. We will explore how USD moved against Euro, JPP, AUD, NZD, CHF, JPY, and CAD. Breaking down the market direction, key patterns, potential strategies you can use in your own trading. If you have been following the market, you know that 2024 was a dynamic year for USD. We saw a significant trades across all the major pairs, some bullish, some bearish, and we are going to analyze each pair quarter by quarter so you can see exactly how the market moved and how you could have profit from these trends. In this video, we will cover Euro USD. Was the euro strong or weak against the dollar? JPPUSD, did the pound follow the same trend as euro? AUD and NZD how did the commodity currencies react to USD strength or weakness? USD CHF and USD JPY, safe haven pairs, did the dollar dominate or lag behind? USD CAD, did oil prices play a role in loans movement? We will identify the dominant trends, highlight key trading opportunities, and discuss how to prepare for similar market conditions in the future. So, by doing a backtesting, like why we are doing a backtest. Backtesting, of course, is one of the most powerful tools for traders. It helps us understand past price action, refine our strategies, and build confidence in our trades. This analysis isn't just about insight, it's about learning how spot trends manage risks and make better decisions moving forward. So stick around till the end of the video because I will also share my key takeaways and some tips on how to use those insights to enhance your trading strategy. And if you are finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading content like this. Alright, let's dive into the charts and start with USD's overall performance in 2024 before breaking down its pair by pair, starting off with dollar. So if I show you the chart, basically we can see starting from January 2024, the price action for dollar was a Polish market, okay, until the first the first 4 months, dollar was Polish market, okay, and then here we can see starting from 1st May 2024, of course we get another Polish market, and last for of the year last year we got until right now a bullish market. So what can we expect from dollar? Okay, so what I witnessed, guys, from doing a backtest is that beginning of the year always the market do reversal. Okay, so be careful, the market do reversal. Okay, so if you see right now, is it possible for this month, January 2024, is it possible for dollar to make a reversal? Okay, because now we see starting from 1st October until right now the market is bullish. Okay, we're just getting higher high and higher lows, and we are getting uptrend market. So actually, yes, I think it is time for dollar to make a reverse. The level I was expecting to make dollar reversal was this actually level, okay. And here we can see that the last time dollar reached this level was 21 August 2022. Okay, so you can see the price is again coming back this level. So yes, if the dollar reaches this level, okay, of course we are expecting a downtrend. So what do we learn from making this backtest for today? Okay, so always it is really good to know what happened in the market from past year. Okay, so actually by dividing into these, okay, if you want, when you're doing your analyze, you can make your backtesting as quarter, like quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, until quarter four. But for me, what I show here is like the market is moving as 4 months. Okay, January to May, May to October, and October to January, so to December. So we will see actually what happened, but I think this level for dollar is a strong sell area here. We cannot ignore. So if dollar reach this level, of course, I'm always giving you an update about the market, but this is a strong level that we are expecting dollar to drop. So now let me show you the other pairs that related to dollar, how dollar affect these pairs. Okay, so starting with Euro USD, we saw an inverse of relationship to the USD throughout the year. When the USD was bullish, the euro weakened. So that means they are opposite. And during the bearish phase of the dollar, the euro gained strength. So they are working opposite. So, so here in the first 4 months, starting from January to April, as USD rallied, euro USD trended downward, showing a clear bearish momentum. Okay. Traders who capitalized on trend following strategies during this time likely saw a good result. From starting 7 April until September 2025, basically we see dollar losing a steam and euro USD reverse it into uptrend. Okay, so here we can see the market was in uptrend. Okay, so this was a great opportunity for long traders, especially the traders who do swing. So we can see it moved it 575 pips. So especially like you can get this kind of swing traders when breakout patterns or support levels are hit. Like for example, if you buy the market here, so maybe you can get the second entry here, the third entry here. So how does that work the market basically? So finally, starting from September to December, dollar regained its strength. And as expected, of course, if dollar gains strength, euro USD declined it again. So this highlights the importance of understanding USD cycles when trading major currency pairs. So up to now, that's why euro USD is still moving to downside. Again, be careful here. Okay, now this level euro USD is breaking this level. Okay, is it possible for euro USD to reach until here another what 722 pips? It is possible basically, but because like here we have a strong buy area, so it's also September 23 2022. So if it reaches again, yes, of course we can buy a euro USD here, but it depends on dollar. We will see if dollar reaches this level I told you. So but always we will look on eye for all these pairs that related to dollar. So we will see how it moves, because right now I can see this also level is a level that it can make a reverse, but as I know, guys, because like starting from September up to now, this is a bearish market, and I guess like it is time that we expect for at least a bullish market. Okay. Another next we have JPY basically. So JPY which is following a similar pattern to EURUSD, but which is slightly different volatility. In the first 4 months of this pair, starting from January until 22 of April, um, JPPUSD experienced a steep downtrend. The pound struggled against the dollar during this time, and short trades were highly effective. During the bearish phase of the dollar, starting from April until September 2024, um, we see JPPUSD rebounded sharply, and the market was moving as a bullish market. So, and this of course, if the market gives opportunity for bullish setups like pullbacks or breakouts, so that's when you get the opportunity to trade. Uh, by the last 4 months, as the dollar regained control, we can see here JPPUSD reassumed it is bearish direction with strong downward moves that align perfectly with dollar's bullish phase. So that is why it's still moving JPPUSD as a downtrend. So we can see it already dropped more than 1,200 BPs. But if you see here again, okay, because you cannot ignore these levels, guys. We have another one here, area of volume. So we cannot ignore these levels. So if it reaches these levels, yes, they are strong pi area. So that means, of course, we expect for a the to get an at least for bullish market. Okay, when the price action when the price reaches these levels. But of course, like I will just update you. Also, we will next we have AUD USD, and also I will show you NZD USD analysis. So when it comes to commodity currencies like AUD USD and NZD USD, their trend is mirrored like Euro USD and GBP USD, but external factors like commodity prices and risk sentiment added some interest twists. For example, for AUD USD, the pair was heavily bearish during the first 4 months. Okay, so this is the first month. We can see heavily bearish market. Okay, this period also coincided with a weaker commodity demand, which pressured the Australian dollar. So starting from April until 1st of October, USD weakened and AUD USD found support and rallied, offering a strong bullish trend for those who followed commodity-related price action. In the last 4 months, the pair declined again as the dollar took back control, following similar paths to the other major pairs. So when it comes to NZD USD, it's exactly the same as AUD USD. So NZD USD followed almost the same structure, but its movement were highly less volatile, making it ideal for swing traders. Okay. Lastly, I want to show you USD CHF and USD JPY. So these safe haven pairs. For example, let's start by USD CHF. The Swiss franc moved inversely with dollar, with the pair rising during dollar's bullish phases and dropping during its bearish phases. These trends were highly less aggressive, but still provided a solid opportunities for trend following strategies. Okay, so this one and USD CHF and dollar they are moving exactly the same. Okay, for USD JPY, on other hand, show more consistent strength throughout the year due to Japanese continue with low interest rates. The pair rose sharply during dollar's bullish phases, but didn't decline as much when the dollar weakened, likely because of yen-specific victories. This divergence makes it essential to consider not dollar strength, but also the individual fundamentalists driving JPY and CHF. Okay. Lastly, I want to show you. Finally, I want to show you USD CAD. So USD CAD in the first 4 months, the dollar rallied and USD CAD showing that the dollar's strength any support from oil prices starting from May 5 until August, when dollar weakened, oil prices play a bigger role, helping CAD gain strength and push USD CAD lower. So where you can see the price action here. Okay, so in the final last 4 months, the dollar regained its footing and USD CAD move it higher again. So starting from 24 September 2024, we can see it gains its strength and it move it higher again, reflecting the broader strength of the dollar. Okay, so what do we learn from this backtesting? So the major takeaway here is that all these pairs uh, they mirror USD movements in an opposite direction. When the dollar strengthens, these pairs tend to fail. When the USD weakens, these pairs rally. So understanding this inverse relationship is the key for traders who want to time their entries and exit effectively. By observing the dollar index and combining with its key support and resistance level and patterns, you can trade these pairs more confidently. So that's the end of our video, and I hope it actually helps you and at least you understand for this backtesting. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and any to get in the future videos, any of course updates related to the market. I'm always posting on my YouTube channel, and also you can follow us on Instagram, and you can also follow us on our um, Telegram channel. So let's end the video. See you guys.